Okay, for mass customization, because you need to adapt or meet your customer, a different unique customer, so you need lots of suppliers who can supply different types of product. And you need to have it is a very fast product design and rapid process design, because you want to react immediately towards your customer preference. Focus processes focus on the process can be in terms of your customer, product and service, as well as technologies that you right. What happens if you want to change your production process? Okay, from restaurant you want to move to other types of business, clothing business. So it is difficult, and it is meaning that you have to start all over again, starting from zero. And of course it is difficult. You need to change the machine, you need to change the skill. And process strategy determines transformation strategy for an extended period, because of it takes a long time to do one process and to change to another process. Therefore, it is important to get it right, so it is a long-term decisions. Alright, let's move to process analysis and design, whereby we have flowcharts where it shows the movements of material from one step to the other step. For the first example, we can see in Harley Davidson example, that is flowcharts, and we have time function mapping. It shows flows and time frame. So from flowchart plus with the time frame. That's why it is we call it time function mapping. Okay, this is examples of baseline for time function mapping. So from the order product, we have 12 days until the customer receive the product. So it takes 52 days, almost 2 months. This is what we targeted to have, meaning that we are able to reduce. We want to reduce from 52 days and to only 6 days in order for customer to receive the product. We also have value stream mapping, where it shows the flows, time and value added beyond the immediate organization, which is it is more complex compared to flowcharts and time function mapping. For process chart, normally we use symbols, and last part on service blueprint, where we focus on the customer or service interactions of provider, how a service provider will interact with the customer. Okay, examples here we have this is a value stream mapping. So it is more complex, where it consists of suppliers up to the customer. This one examples of process chart that it's meant by symbols. We have operation symbol for transportations, inspections and storage. So at the end, from the process chart, we want to know the value added time. Value added time is either we can shorten the process, or we want to make a process more easier. For service blueprint, they have 3 levels, and it identify the potential failures for the points. You want to know where is the lag or loop in the service. Okay, so as you can see here, this is examples of service blueprint, whereby we have customer service arrive and until up to this process. Okay, so it consists of these 3 level. So the first level is the surface level, and the second level is more on notifying customers, so diagnosis, in identify what is the problem. And level 3, we perform the task lah, and until customer receive, customer departs